Welcome back. So today I am going to discuss about UI hosting controller in Swift. Today I am going to discuss about UI hosting controller in UIKit. So what is UI hosting controller? First of all, we are going to discuss about UI hosting view controller, a UIKit view controller that manages a Swift UI view hierarchy. Swift UI view hierarchy. So we can use easily of UI hosting controller. So experience for UI hosting controller. Create a UI hosting controller object when you want to integrate Swift UI view into a UIKit view hierarchy. At creation time, specify the Swift UI view you want to use as root view for this view controller. You can change that view later using the root view property. Use the hosting controller like you would be any other view controller by presenting or embedding attribute like child view controller in your interface. So this is a simply a UIKit view controller that manages Swift UI view hierarchy. So first of all, we're gonna create on this view control Swift UI view. We're gonna create on this Swift UI view. So this is a Swift UI demo view. Suppose we have a name on this view, Swift UI demo view. We're gonna create on this Swift UI demo view. We're gonna create on the Swift UI demo view, and we can set on this. We can set on this canvas. Resume on this canvas. So this is the title. We're gonna apply on this. Suppose which have apply the font, title, and weight font. We're gonna apply this font weight on the title, and we're gonna apply this font color on the title. Suppose we have on this color on this title. So we're gonna apply this background. Suppose we're gonna create on the geometry reader. We can, this is a geometry. Assign on this, we can run on this our display. We can height and width dynamically. Geometry in, and we're gonna accessibility on this text. We're gonna apply the vstack dot padding dot frame, which have we're gonna apply this frame geometry dot size dot width, and geometry dot size dot height divide into fourth part in this UI. Remove this alignment our frame, and we can set on this center vstack. We're gonna create on the vstack, and we're gonna use of spacer. And this largest is last in use of spacer, and we're gonna create on this h stack. And this last is v stack, and we're going of h stack, where we can use of spacer and h stack. We can set on this center by center spacer. So this is we can add on this h stack. We can send. We're gonna apply this background dot background. We're gonna apply this frame. We're gonna apply this dot background. We're gonna apply this background. So color dot, suppose which have added color dot blue color, and you can set on the height for, suppose it is 6 part on this UI, and this we can apply on this width 2.5. We can set on this 2.5, 1.5, 1.5. Suppose we can apply 1.5 width on this apply, and we're gonna apply this corner radius. Suppose which have 12.0, This create on this quantity 12.0. We can set on this 12.0. So we can complete on this. This is the change this text on this Swift UI view. This is a Swift UI view. This is a Swift UI view. We can complete on this command. Select on this command control I identification on this code. So we can use of identification of this code. So we can complete on this Swift UI. So we're gonna today I'm going to discover UI hosting controller. You can create on this UI kit view controller. This is the UI kit UI view controller subclass. This is a Swift UI use view controller. We're gonna create on this Swift UI use view controller, and this is Swift UI use view controller. We're gonna create on this configuration method. For a function, we're gonna create on this configuration which have no parameter and no return value on this method. So we're gonna create this button. Let button is equal to UI button. So button dot set title. This is a button sort title set title. This is a button sort set title. Suppose which have title name is suppose title name is Open Swift UI view. We can set on this title as Open Swift UI view. This is a title. Dot state on this normal state, and we're gonna apply the support title color, and we're gonna apply this coordinate. Suppose we're gonna apply this title color, set title color. So this is a dot black color and state is normal. We're gonna apply this suppose corner radius button dot layer dot corner radius. Suppose equal to 12.0 corner radius. We're gonna apply this 12.0 corner radius, and we're gonna apply this background color button dot background color. Suppose UI background color is equal to suppose UI color dot which have green color dots green color. We can apply this. Suppose we have border width and border color. We're gonna apply this border width button dot border button dot layer dot border width is equal to 2.0, and we're gonna apply this button dot layer dot border color is equal to UI color dot suppose you can use red color and dot CG color. We're gonna apply this border color CG color, and we can complete on this property of border color. We're gonna apply this constant and add on this view. So the view is this is a view dot default view in this UI view dot we can space on this view dot add subview calling on this method add subview. This is a button add on this subview. We're gonna apply this constant on this button. So button dot translate also resizing so button dot button dot translate also constant is equal to false, and we're gonna apply the NS layout constant dot activate array of constant. This is a we're gonna apply the first constant is center y and center x. We're gonna apply set on this button dot center y anchor dot constants equal to view dot center y anchor. Set on this center y anchor on this constant. We're gonna apply this constant is button dot center x anchor. We're gonna apply the center x anchor dot constants equal to view dot center x anchor, and we're gonna apply this button height and width. So button dot height anchor. We're gonna dot constants equal to constant. So this is we can apply this width anchor. First is width anchor, and we can apply this width suppose 250. 100 and set on this width, and we're gonna apply this height on this button. Dot height anchor dot constants equal to constant. We're gonna apply this. Suppose height is 15.0. We're gonna apply this height 15.0. We're gonna set on this all button properties. We can call on this configuration subviews. Configuration subviews. Configuration subviews. We're gonna calling on this method configuration subviews. View did load is the initial load on this method. So we can add target on this. Open your SwiftUI view. We're gonna add target. Open your SwiftUI. We're gonna create on objc function. Objc func. This is the open next screen, which have function name. We're gonna create the function. So let host VC. Let host VC. We can set on this host VC. This is UI hosting controller. So this is UI hosting controller in SwiftUI. We can import on this SwiftUI. Import SwiftUI, and we can calling on this UI hosting controller. UI hosting controller. This is the root view controller. Our root view controller is SwiftUI demo. SwiftUI demo view. We can calling on the instance, and we can present on this self dot present. This is the host VC, and animate is true. We can call it true, and completion is nil. We can set on this property. So we can complete on this open next screen. We can calling on this button dot add target on this button. Suppose we're gonna apply this add target. So button dot add target, calling on this support self target self, and we can calling on the hash selector method. We can open next screen. Open next screen, and we're going to touch up inside event on the touch up inside. We can complete on this UI. We can set on this manage storyboard on this view controller class on this. Suppose this is our class is SwiftUI use view controller. SwiftUI use view controller. This is the initial view controller. We can run on this SwiftUI use view controller. So what is UI hosting? A UI kit view controller that manages SwiftUI hierarchy. And overview. This is the open view SwiftUI view. This is SwiftUI view. Create on the SwiftUI view and SwiftUI view. So this is the SwiftUI demo. Create on the SwiftUI demo, and we can calling on the SwiftUI view. We can run on this statement. So create a UI hosting controller object when you want to integrate SwiftUI views into a UI kit view hierarchy at a creation time, specific time SwiftUI view. You want to use to as root view controller for this open SwiftUI view. This is a hosting view controller. So this is a SwiftUI view use of UI kit. This is a UI kit view controller use of SwiftUI view. So UI hosting controller means SwiftUI views use of UI kit controller and UI kit controller. So thank you for watching this video. We can use the hosting controller.